A warm welcome to my dear 6th standard student. I am your maths teacher Sandhya from Bharati Dasra Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach third lesson. So what is our third lesson name? Very good. Our third lesson name is playing with numbers. Playing with numbers. Express each of the following odd numbers. Now tell me, Nasreen, what is odd numbers? Very good. The odd numbers are 1. The number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are called the odd numbers. Here the question is express each of the following odd numbers as the sum of 3 odd numbers. Already they are given odd numbers. Now we are going to add 3 odd numbers. Sum means that is addition. The first question is 31. What is the first question? 31. So here we have some of the odd numbers is there. Now we are going to add. Okay. So first I will take 5. Take 5 and then 7 and then. So 5 plus 7. What is the answer? 5 plus 7. Keep 5 in the mind, 7 in the finger. So 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here we got the answer is 12. So what number should we use to add 12 to get the sum 31? Okay, now we are going to check. Take 31 minus 12. So 1 minus 2 is possible? No, this is not possible. Why? Because 1 is the smallest number, 2 is the greatest number. Now we are going to get borrow from the before number. 1 it will change into 11, 3 will change into 2. So now 11 minus 2, the answer is 9. And 2 minus 1, the answer is 1. The answer is here we got 19. See, listen children, 19 is the even number or odd number? Very good. 19 is the odd number. So write plus 19. So the three numbers are 5 plus 7 plus 19. Here 5 is called the odd number, 7 is called the odd number and 19 also odd number. Why? Because the numbers are ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so these three numbers we add means we get this 31. Our next question is 49. What is our next question? Our next question is 49. First I will write the first odd number. What is our first odd number? Our first odd number is 3. Okay, so I will write 3. Take 49 equal to our first odd number is 3. And then what is our second odd number? Very good. Our second odd number is 5. Okay children, our first odd number is 3 and our second odd number is 5. Now here we have two numbers. We are going to find the third number. First, we are going to add this two number. What is the answer? 3 plus 5. The answer is 8. Now we are going to subtract 49 minus 8. Then we will find the third number easily, right? Take 49 minus 8. 49 minus 8. Now you take 9 minus 8. What is the answer? The answer is 1 and then 4. Whether 41 is even number or odd number? Very good dear. 41 is odd number. How did you say the answer 41 is an odd number? Why? Because the number is ends with 1. The number is ends with 1. So write the answer 41. If you take 41 plus 5 plus 3 means final answer is 49. What is our final answer? Our final answer is 49. Next we have another example 63. So take a 63. 63 equal to, we need to add 3 odd prime numbers. We need to add 3 odd prime numbers. So I will take first odd number. What is the first odd number? We have 3 is there, 5 is there and 7. Here we have the greatest number. That is why I start from 7 onwards, right? So take a 7 and then I will take a 13 also, right? So 7 plus 13. What is the answer? 7 plus 13. The answer is 20. 7 plus 13, the answer is 20. Now we are going to see the third number. Why? Because the question is add 3 odd numbers to get the sum. Now tell me Nasreen, what is the answer? Very good. The answer. So simply we will take and subtract, we will get the answer. Take a 63 minus minus 20. 63 minus 20. Now we are going to subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. Listen my children, whether 43 is even number or odd number? Very good. 43 is the odd number. If you take a 43 plus 13 plus 7 means the final answer is 63. So take a 43 and then the next number is 13 and then the final number is 7. So take 7 in the mind, 3 in the finger. Take 10 plus 3, the answer is 13 equal 3. Carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, the answer is 6. We got the 63, that also odd number, right? Next, the last topic is which of the following are the pairs of co-prime? So, what is mean by co-prime? Listen here, co-prime means a pair of two numbers which have no common factor. Already you know. So, we take any two number. For example, I will take the number 2 and 3. For example, I will take the number 2 and 3. So, now we are going to find what is mean by co-primes. Co-primes means a pair of two numbers which have no common factor other than 1. Now, we are going to find the factors of 2. What is the factors of 2? Very good, 1 and 2. And then we are going to find the factors of 3. What is the factors of 3? 1 and 3. So, write 1 and 2 and 1 and 3. Here, the common factors is 1. What is the common factor? 1. So, this is called as co-primes. This is called as co-prime. What is mean by co-prime? Co-prime means a pair of two numbers which have no common factor other than 1. Here we got the number is 1. This is called as co-prime. Okay, children. Now we are going to find 49 and 81 whether it is co-prime or not. First, we are going to find the factors of 49. Then we are going to find the factors of 81. Take factors of 49 or factors of 49 or. So, what is the factors of 49? In all the number, it will come in one table and then number itself. So, first we will write 149s are 49. 149s are 49. Now, tell me Nandita, 2 table of 49? Oh no, how did you say the answer? Very good my dear. She said, ma'am, 2 table the numbers are ends with even number, but here we have the number is 49. 49 is the odd number. So, 2 table 49 is not possible. Next we will take a 3 table. I will take 3 table and 49. We are going to divide. In remainder you get 0 means that is yes. In remainder you get non-zero number means that is no. So, take 1 3s are 3. And what is the answer? 4 minus 3? 4 minus 3 is 1. Then I will bring down 9. Okay. So, now the 3 table have 19? No, it don't have. 3 table have 18. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. Now, 19 minus 18, the answer is 1. So, listen children, 3 table is not possible. Next we will take 4 table. 4 table also 49 it will not come, and 5 table, 6 table. In 7 table of 49. Very good. How many times dears? Oh, 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. Adoda we have 49 table. In between any table we don't have 49. So, write 49 ones are 49. 49 ones are 49. Next I will take 81. Next I will take 81. Now we are going to find factors of 81. So, write the factors of 81 or factors of 81 or. So, what is the first table? The first table is 1 table. So, So everyone knows the number, it will come one table and then number itself. So first we will write 181s are 81. 181s are 81. Next we are going to find 2 table. So 2 table have 81? No, it don't have. Why? Because 81 is an odd number. 2 table fully even number. Next I will take a 3 table. Whether 3 table have 81? Now I am going to check. Take 81 divided by 3. 81 divided by 3. Take first number, that is 2 times of 3. Okay. 2 3s are 6 and 8 minus 6. What is the answer? 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Then we will bring down 1. Now 3 table have 21? Yes. How many times? 7 3s are 21. So write here 7 3s are 21. Now 21 minus 21, the answer is 0. Take a 3 27s are 81. 3 27s are 81. Next take 4 table. 4 table 81 is not possible, and 5 table, 6 table, 7 table, 8 table. Slightly we will take 9 table. 9 table have 81? Yeah. So how many times? 9 9s are 81. So write the answer. 9 9s are 81. Then we have 27 3s are 81. 27 3s are 81. And finally 81 1s are 81. 81 1s are 81. Now we are going to find the factors of these numbers. The factors of 49 are 1, 7, 49, and the factors of 81 are 1, 3, 9 and 27, and finally 81. So write here the factors of 49 are 1, 7 and 49. What is the factors of 49? 1, 7 and 49. Next we are going to write the factors of 81. The factors of 81 are 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. So before itself you should write factors of 49, factors of 49 and factors of 81. Factors of 49 and factors of 81. Now we are going to find the common factors. Here the common factors is 1. Appo this number is called the co-prime number. This number is called the co-prime number. So co-prime number means a pair of two number which have no common factor. One thavara vera edume irukka koodathu. Like that means that is called as co-prime numbers. Co-primes. Okay. Next we will see another example. So another example is 80 and 30. First we are going to find the factors of 80, then we are going to find the factors of 30. So I hope you all know what is the factors of 80. Soonly tell me my dears. Very good. Wait, I will write. Factors of 18 are factors of 18 are. So what is the factors of 18? The factors of 18, first one table. So one table have 18. Very good, right? 1 18s are 18. Now tell me Bhupesh, 2 table have 18. Yes dear, how many times dear? Very good, 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Now tell me Pratish, 3 table have 18? Yeah, 3 table have 18. So how many times? 3 6 are 18. Next we will take 4 table. 4 table don't have 18, and then 5 table. Then straightly we will take 6 table. 6 3s are 18. Then numbers will repeat. So listen here. 3 6 are 18. 6 3s are 18. 9 2s are 18, and 18 1s are 18. 9 2s are 18, and what is our next factor? 18 1s are 18. So write here 18 1s are 18. So next factors of 30 are, right? Factors of 30 are. The first one is 1 30s are 30. right? 1 30s are 30. Now 2 table of 30. So now tell me Bhupesh, 2 table of 30. Very good. So how many times? 2 15s are 30. Right? 2 15s are 30. Next I will take a 3 table. 3 table of 30? Yes. 3 10s are 30. Next I will take 4 table. 4 table 30 is not possible. Next I will take 5 table. 5 table 5 6 are 30. And the numbers will repeat. 6 5s are 30, 10 3s are 30, 15 2s are 30 and 30 1s are 30. So take 6 5s are 30, 10 3s are 30 and then 15 2s are 30, then 30 1s are 30, 15 2s are 30 and then 30 1s are 30. Now we are going to write all the factors of 15 and 30, 18 and 30. Listen here. Take and write factors of 18. Factors of 18. So here what is the factors of 18? The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Next we will take the factors of 30 are, right? Factors of 30. Factors of 30. Here the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and then 30. Now we are going to find the common factors. Here we have more common factors. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there and then 6 is there. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 6. So this number is not a co-prime. Why means co-prime means a number having, what is that co-prime means? Other than 1. Okay, the common factors other than 1 are called the co-primes. Listen children, in this session you have learned co-primes, twin primes and even numbers and then odd numbers, right? So in this below description we have what is study material, question bank and then assessment work. So my dear students, do all the exercise problem. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you student. We will see you in next class.